Virtua Quest. Real Bout Fatal Fury Special. WWE SmackDown, Shut Your Mouth. Capcom Fighting Evolution. The King of Fighters Neowave. The King of Fighters Maximum Impact. Dragon Ball Z Budokai 2. The King of Fighters 2000. Naruto Shippuden, Ultimate Ninja Heroes 3. Mortal Kombat Deadly Alliance. The King of Fighters 2003. King of Fighters 2001. Godzilla, Save the Earth. WWE SmackDown vs. Raw 2006. WWE SmackDown vs. Raw 2007. Dragon Ball Z Infinite World. Samurai Shodown V. Mortal Kombat Shaolin Monks. Hokuto No Ken. SNK vs. Capcom SVC Chaos. Bloody Roar 3. Dead or Alive 2. Street Fighter Roman 2 Turbo Hyper Fighting. NeoGeo Battle Coliseum. WWE SmackDown, Here Comes the Pain. Virtua Fighter 4. Dragon Ball Z Budokai Tenkaichi 2. Rumble Roses. Mortal Kombat Deception. Guilty Gear Roman 20. Mortal Kombat Armageddon. King of Fighters Roman 11. War of the Monsters. Dragon Ball Z Budokai 3. Street Fighter Alpha Anthology. Guilty Gear Roman 20L Core Plus. Marvel vs. Capcom 2 New Age of Heroes. Tekken 4. Street Fighter Anniversary Collection. Virtua Fighter 4 Evolution. Soulcalibur Roman 3. Dragon Ball Z Budokai Tenkaichi 3. Def Jam Fight for NY. Capcom vs. SNK 2. Soulcalibur II, Tekken 5.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.